Okay, the other function that's really helpful to know is the set interval. So the set interval, um, to have that run, I'm just going to change this log statement slightly so you can see a little bit of the difference. I'm going to create a global variable here. I'm going to say let counter or let seconds equal 0. And then here in this log, I'm just going to log out. Um, sorry, waited for seconds, seconds. So I'm going to log out however many seconds it's been, and I'm going to increment seconds before I log it. Okay, now I'm going to adjust this slightly. The main difference between set interval and set timeout is the way you define them. So this one, I just say set interval. And then I give it a function that I want it to run, and I give it a pause time. In this case, I'm going to put 1000 milliseconds so that we get every second. So now if I save this and I come over to my workspace, you can see that every second it logs out exactly how long it waited for. And so with this, we can track the passage of time. And with set timeout, we can have things pause. Having things pause will simulate making requests out to the internet, and this interval here will tell us exactly how long we've been waiting.